Okay guys, continuation for our railings. Today is May 24th. Okay, it's day 2. We're doing our deck. Okay, Alwada, lakay baka malak mo at pag-imita. You're going to lock yourself there.
Yeah, I need to.
Ay, lock. Okay, Nina.
With my wife and all her brakes. Huh? Huh?
Yeah. Oy, I'm helping Loves. Oh, I'm the one cutting over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
You're
Cut a few, take a break.
Take
Cut
a
a few, take a break.
Dun 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 dun.